There are some new divisions in the fight over the president's immigration policies, with one Supreme Court justice blasting the court's decision to temporarily press pause on deporting some Venezuelan detainees. NBC's Vaughn Hilliard has the latest.
Tensions escalating between President Trump and the Supreme Court. The administration asking the court to end its pause on their planned deportation of at least 28 Venezuelan detainees at a Texas ICE facility. The court temporarily stopped the White House's plans this weekend to deport the men under the Alien Enemies Act. The administration says the men are gang members, but lawyers representing the detainees say they're being denied their due process. President Trump's border czar, Tom Homan, has previously said that doesn't apply.
The length of due process is not the same under the Alien Enemies Act. That's why the Alien Enemies Act was created.
Well, 7 justices agreed on the order. Justice Samuel Alito, writing his dissent, joined by Justice Clarence Thomas, that the court issued unprecedented and legally questionable relief without giving the lower courts a chance to rule. In an Easter message on social media, the president writing, "Happy Easter also to the weak and ineffective judges and law enforcement officials who are allowing this sinister attack on our nation to continue." Meanwhile, Kilmar Abrego Garcia remains in El Salvador after more than a month, despite the Supreme Court ordering the administration to facilitate his return. Maryland Senator Chris Van Hollen met with Abrego Garcia last week.
This is not about one man. If you deny the constitutional rights of one man, you threaten the constitutional rights for everybody.
Republican Senator John Kennedy saying Abrego Garcia should not be in El Salvador.
The administration won't admit it, but this was a screw-up. I don't see any pattern here. I see a screw-up.